Wow, it is.
That was like 40 years ago.
That was good though.
Look at that.
I think I got a good one.
Look at her profession, Crystal. You want to play gospel music, Crystal?
They know it.
Oh, they can swing.
Greg, you want to dance? I'm going to show you a dance called the twist. You ready?
That's it, guys.
That's it? Oh, man!
Yeah!
Yeah, I can go back to the same note.
Let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, you go dance. You go dance.
Play the.
Like we're going to do a dance.
Singing, yeah.
Right? You take your hands like this, bend your knees, and you just twist. Yeah!
Keep on playing.
Look at your booty. Go, Max!
See, I got lots again. That's it, guys.
Yeah.
Try?